Alia Bhatt is one of the most sought-after actresses of Bollywood, and just like filmmakers, brands also want to cast her for endorsements. Alia Bhatt has done numerous brand endorsements till date, but unfortunately, her latest brand endorsement has landed her into trouble. Alia Bhatt is getting trolled extensively on the internet for her latest venture with a traditional clothing brand. Recently, Manyavar's bridal wear brand Mohe has released its latest commercial featuring Alia Bhatt. The Bollywood actress looked nothing less than a queen in the commercial. But the message that the commercial carried did not go down well with many people. Seems like the actress has summoned trouble for herself after doing this commercial for Mohe. In this ad, question has been raised by Alia Bhatt against the ritual Kanyadan. The actress can be seen saying that why does the ritual Kanyadan exist? She has also stated that girls are not any kind of materials that they are given to another person. And at last, the actress says that Kanyadan should be replaced with Kanyaman. While some people have applauded Alia Bhatt's this commercial for a strong message it carries, the actress is getting bashed too. The internet is filled with trolls of the actress, and the section of people is slamming the actress mercilessly for doing the commercial. The netizens are claiming that Alia Bhatt has insulted and hurt the sentiments of people by questioning the long-running ritual. It is being reported that Alia Bhatt has hurt Hindu sentiments by doing this commercial for Mohe. Even the hashtag Boycott Alia Bhatt started to trend again on the internet because of this commercial and its message. Many netizens have even claimed that the brands need to take down the commercial and Alia Bhatt should apologize.